Hello friends, today we are going to study the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency and its magnitude gives measure how the constituent particles pack together in crystal lattice or in fraction or in percentage. मित्रांनो, आपल्याला क्रिस्टल लॅटिस मध्ये पार्टिकल जे आहेत ते कशा पद्धतीने पॅक्ड आहेत ते आपल्याला फ्रॅक्शन आणि पर्सेंटेज मध्ये डिटरमाइन करायचं आहे. आणि म्हणून इट इज अ फ्रॅक्शन पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी इट इज फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ percentage of space occupied by particles in crystal lattice. मित्रांनो, पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी मध्ये आपल्याला फ्रॅक्शन और पर्सेंटेज ऑफ स्पेस ऑक्युपाइज बाय पार्टिकल्स इन क्रिस्टल लॅटिस. क्रिस्टल लॅटिस मध्ये आपल्याला जे पार्टिकल्स आहेत त्याचं स्पेस जी ऑक्युपाइज त्यांनी केलेली आहे ते आपल्याला फ्रॅक्शन आणि पर्सेंटेज मध्ये आपल्याला डिटरमाइन करायचे आहे. मग याच्यासाठी जो फॉर्म्युला आपण वापरणार आहोत मित्रांनो, फॉर्म्युला यूज टू डिटरमाइन द पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी इज packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particles in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell. Packing efficiency can calculate by the formula used. The volume occupied by particles in unit cell divided the total volume of unit cell. In this chapter, there are the three types of unit cell to determine the packing efficiency. मित्रांनो, या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपल्याला तीन टाइपचे जे युनिट सेल्स आहेत त्यांची आपल्याला पॅकिंग इफिशियन्सी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे किंवा डिटरमाइन करायची आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला आहे सिंपल क्यूबिक लॅटिस, सिंपल क्यूबिक युनिट सेल, देन बॉडी सेंटर क्यूबिक युनिट सेल, and third is the face center cubic unit cell. Let us see, we discuss one by one. First is the simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. Hello friends, the packing efficiency of metal crystal simple cubic lattice. In simple cubic lattice, you know, in simple cubic lattice, the constituent particles present at the corner of the cube. The constituent particle, the eight particles is present at the corner. In 3D structure, the sphere of the corner is touched to each other. The edge length is denoted by small a, and the radius of sphere is denoted by small r. The packing efficiency is determined by the different stages. The first step is radius of sphere. You know, the radius of sphere we can calculate by the edge length. Edge length is divided by small a, edge length is divided by small a, the sphere radius one sphere radius r, small r, and second sphere radius is small r. The sum of these two radius pair, we get the edge length. We can rearrange this equation. A is equal to, we can write the 2r. We can write the 2r. Then arrange this equation, we get r is equal to a upon 2. A upon 2. These are the first equation. Small r is denoted by the radius of sphere, and small a is denoted by the edge length. Friends, in second step, volume of sphere. You know volume of sphere. Volume of sphere के व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती मित्रांनो 4/3 pi into r cube. The substituted value of r from the first equation, we get volume of one particle. Volume of one particle 4/3 pi. r की वैल्यू आपण सबस्टिट्यूट केली मित्रांनो तर आपल्याला इन ब्रॅकेट a upon 2 ब्रॅकेट क्यूब. We can write this equation 4/3 pi a cube upon 2 multiplied by 2 8. This equation you can write 2 2s are 8, 3 pi a cube upon 2. This equation rearranged by 3 multiplied by 2 pi a cube upon 6. Pi a cube upon 6. These are the second equation. Of volume of one particles. Friends, in step 3, the total volume of particles in simple cubic unit cell. The total volume of particles is determined. You know in simple cubic unit cell, the 8 particles present at the 8 corners. But only one particles are present in simple cubic unit cell, because you know the 8 particles present at the corner. But each particles to constitute only 1/8 part in simple cubic unit cell. We can say the one particles is present in the simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, the total volume of particles is equal to total volume of particles is equal to pi a cube upon 6. Pi upon 6. These are the third equation. Second equation and third equation are equal, because only one particle is present in the simple cubic unit cell. तर एकच पार्टिकल का प्रेझेंट आहे तुम्हाला सांगितलं की एक कॉर्नरला 8 पार्टिकल असतात, पण प्रत्येक पार्टिकलचा फक्त 1/8 पार्ट हा त्या युनिट सेल मध्ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूट असतो, आणि म्हणून आपल्याला सांगता येईल की only one particles present at the simple cubic unit cell, and the total volume of particles is equal to pi a cube upon 6. In the next step, packing efficiency. In packing efficiency, to determine the packing efficiency by the formula, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by particle in unit cell upon total volume in total of unit cell. Put the value of volume occupied by the particles in unit cell. You know, pi a cube upon 6 divided total volume of unit cell is a cube. Total volume of unit cell is a cube. A cube cancel. We get pi upon 6. These are the, we calculate the in percentage is divided by 100. Is divided by 100. Divided by 100. We can write 100 pi upon 6. To put the value of pi, 100 multiplied by 3.14. We get the value, put the value of 100 pi, 100 multiplied by 3.14 upon 6. We can calculate with the help of logarithm. We get the value 52.36. These are the packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell. But you know the space, empty space is occur. We can calculate the empty space of simple cubic unit cell like that. The total occupied space is 100%, but only 42.36% is occupied by the spare or packing efficiency. We can calculate the empty space in the cubic unit cell. 100 minus 52.36. When we subtract the 52.36 into 100, we get the 47.64%, which is a empty space. Empty space in the simple cubic unit cell. These are the, we can calculate the packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell. मित्रांनो, आपण जर YouTube चॅनलला, माझ्या YouTube चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर अवश्य सबस्क्राईब करा आणि म्हणजे तुम्हाला पुढचे व्हिडिओ पण पाहता येतील. धन्यवाद.